The hardest and most time-consuming part is prepping all of the garlic. Once you have enough garlic in your jar, pour in some raw honey to cover it. The garlic will probably float a bit, and that's okay. Cover the jar loosely with a lid to let the gases escape, and put it in a dark place to ferment. It's a good idea to put a plate or something similar underneath the jar as it's fermenting, as it will likely bubble up a bit, and a little honey could possibly drip out. It's also important to gently turn the jar over every day or so, or whenever you think about it, to make sure that all of the garlic stay coated with honey. Screw the lid on tightly before you do this. Then return it to its upright position and reloosen the lid. In a few days to a week you will notice some bubbles forming on the surface of the honey. The honey garlic will ferment for about a month, but you can eat it at any time during the process. The flavor will continue to develop over time, the garlic will mellow, and the honey will become much runnier. Occasionally the garlic cloves turn a blue or green color due to a reaction during the fermentation process. While it may be a bit alarming, it is not harmful and the honey garlic can still be used. Honey garlic will store well in a cool place for many months, or even a year or longer. I've kept some for over 2 years and it is still good. Now, how do you use this fermented honey garlic? That's a good question, and it can be used in a variety of ways. Both garlic and honey have strong medicinal properties, so it makes sense to use it as an immune booster or if you feel a cold or flu coming on. Pop a whole garlic clove, or take a spoonful of honey, or both,